Grabe guys, dito tayo sa Mazda at of course, kukunin na natin ang sasakyan. Brand new, all new Mazda CX-5. Yes, grabe guys. Eto na. Hindi na to panaginip. This is really. Salamat talaga. Of course, number one, the Lord. And second, AIM Global. Saan ka pa? Dapat ikaw rin ba? Grabe guys. Lahat ng pagod, lahat ng puyat, sakripisyo, rejections, lahat ng yan, mababaliwala pag may resulta ka. Don't ever give up on your dreams. Kasi in God, through AIM Global, lahat talaga ng pangarap mo pwede makuha. And now, after a year, grabe guys, mainit-init pa, fresh na fresh. Grabe, meron na ako. One of my favorite cars, one of my dream cars. Ito na, all new Mazda CX-5.